Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to make this quick, and then I'm going to get you in the barn because it's starting to rain. So, went and picked up a load of Allis Chalmers lawnmowers. A little bit different than what I usually do. I like to try to stick with tractors, but I want to do, one of our local clubs does lawnmower pulling, and I want to use that one for lawnmower pulling this summer. So, and this is a 720, which I'm going to put I have a Kubota diesel to put in this. And I had to buy, or got to buy, excuse me, the brush hog that goes behind it, and then that's the mower deck for the 720. Owner motor went bad, guy pulled it out and lost interest. So, well, I'm gonna get that little one off the trailer and get it in the barn, and I'll show you a little bit about that. Well, guys, I got all that lawnmower, Allis lawnmower stuff unloaded. I just wanted to say there'll be more videos of that lawnmower coming up. You'll be seeing that I'm planning on putting a different engine in it. That's my plan, but I'm going to explain a lot more of that in a lot more detail when I actually do a video about it. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next one, I guess.